guys, this is Ceci. I'm so happy to show you this new step that I am incorporating. I try to do as detailed as possible, but unfortunately I did this really quickly also. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Enjoy. Alright guys, so something that I really want to add to the two videos, you've noticed that I would just put the vinyl, and it is permanent vinyl, so you could leave as is, but I noticed when I seal it, I'm going to seal it with a quick coat, and then so it's a sealer, and then I'm going to also seal it with UV resin on top, and you're going to see the beautiful like finish to this. So this is an extra step that I really want to add. So I have here 3 that I'm working on. And then I have like a little finger glove on. I'm going to seal it because I don't want, when I UV resin it, any bubbles to get in there. So just go around it. So I'm going to repeat this process with the other 2, and I'm dabbing it very carefully, and I'm going to let this dry for about 10-15 minutes until it's dry. Then I will come back and seal with UV resin and then show you the finished look. Okay, so here I have them. They are drying, and I used the quick coat. And I went just on the vinyl part, and it's going to seal it where none of the vinyl should like unstick or come up or create any bubbles. And what I did last time, I did some keychains, and when I didn't seal the vinyl, there was like bubbles in between. So we want to avoid that. We want it to look as perfect as possible. So this is just an extra step that I want to show. I know you could just put the vinyl and be done with it, but this is an extra step that I'm starting to do, is sealing with the quick coat and then finally sealing it with UV resin. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to UV resin. I'm going to UV resin the coaster, and I just did this one, and you can see the gloss. It just adds like a really pretty touch to it. So I finished this one. I have that one in there and the lamp, and I do 2 minutes, and then I do an extra time, like an extra 2 minutes. So here I do like a circle. All the way to the middle. And then with your little silicone, you just start going all the way to the edges. All the way to the edges, and then just start working your way. I always do edges first and keep turning it. And work your way all the way. Okay, so from here, you'll completely spread it all out. Bring it to the edge, all the edges. Okay, now that I have it all around the edges, and there's going to be minor little bubbles that are not showing up here, but what I do is I'll grab one of these and I'll hit it quickly, and it pops all those little micro bubbles. Also, it warms it up and it smooths really nice like butter. So from here, then you're ready to put it under the UV lamp to finish curing under. And this is how it comes out. Really pretty, guys. This is a step that I recommend you using to finish. I mean, I take a lot of pride on the coasters. Like, there's some that look like a hockey puck and are super thick, but you can see here that it's pretty reasonably thick. It's not too bad if you want to set a drink on it. I won't put it on because it's, you know, that's how much space you still have there if you have bigger tumblers and things like that. I have a lot of teachers who are purchasing this and say they don't even use it, that they just love it to be displayed on their desks. So I have a school, it just started with one, and now a lot of teachers from the same school, they said that they love it as a display on their desk. And it's nice and flat. I'm gonna add the cork on the bottom, which I'll show you here in a bit, and then we'll finish it up. Okay, so this is them finished with the top UV resin, and it means that it's completely sealed, the vinyl. And then now we're going to add the cork on the back and then package them to be ready to be shipped. Here's the cork that I add to the back. Very easy to put on.